You too. Yeah, hi, how you doing? I'm Lou.
Yeah, I watch you so.
Really? Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, please.
I'm here, always in Poland. Have a good day. So, very long morning. Very long morning. So, for me, I don't know about you guys, if you guys ever take the metro or any trams or anything like that, but 20 minutes in the metro for me is like, that's a lot. But this morning, I wasn't paying attention. Took a metro 20 minutes in the wrong direction. Had to get off, get another ticket, and take 20 minutes back in the other direction to where I originally started, and then 20 minutes in the correct direction. Yeah, that's how the morning starts. Oh, and also I've been getting a lot of emails and messages on Instagram about people who are coming here to Warsaw within this month, within the next month. So you have the Palace of Culture and Science. It's gonna be over my dead body if I don't get out of the street. Right over here. When you guys come here, walk this way. There's like a really cool like chill out place that no one ever seems to be chilling at. Warsaw, I think, is such a busy, fast moving pace that people don't have time to actually stop on their way going places. And when you come here, you got to come around like the backside by the Starbucks and Burger King, and you have this area right here where I don't understand why no one's here, but it's like a perfect chill out place. I hope it'll be here for the next month for you guys who are coming here to visit, but it's like the perfect place right here. It's like right here. And they've actually taken some stuff down. They have this here, but before they had benches here, benches in there, benches there. And then later, sometimes in the night, they have like little concerts right over here. And it's just really random. I think they might even have a schedule up here for you guys who are coming here soon. Well, if you come here soon, you might want to get here really soon. This is the concert schedule. You guys are coming here. So when I came here the last time, they had the concert thing going on, but it was really hot. So you have people sitting around here for the concert. They put the chairs out and everything. And at the same time, they have this, which drips water down. So you can be here, you can be like hot because it's super hot outside. But now it's middle of July and it's freezing cold. But normally you have that. So you have people just standing under this thing, almost like a shower, watching just the concert. And then even better, they have a little, looks like coffee over here. And those car things are so cool, but so dangerous because you can just walk around and just drink coffee all day. Kind of like being in Ukraine. If you guys remember the Ukraine vlogs, being in Ukraine, you have places where you can stop and get something all the time for coffee, and those places are turning up everywhere. But now, no idea what's next. Yeah, a quick stop for smoothie for a little energy. I've kind of missed these smoothies here. Two things I found that when I'm traveling, two things that I pretty much really need, that's always hard to find when traveling, not only here in Poland, but anywhere, is a good smoothie place and a place with fast Wi-Fi. That's one thing always difficult to find when traveling, but never difficult here in Warsaw. Dziękuję bardzo. Do widzenia. Perfect. Moody Green, if you guys go there. Okay, so I'm literally, this is a really big learning day for me, taking in a lot of information, and just thought I'd share this with you guys. There's this guy named Grant Cardone he's a great guy, he's a businessman, but he does this TEDx GrowthCon, and I've downloaded this, the entire conference, and that's what I've been watching. The last few months I've been watching, I'm just getting back to it right now. And so if you guys want to get it, I'm not like sponsored by them or anything, but I just wanted to share it with you. And I'm listening to this one speaker right now, and he shared something that I just wanted to share with you guys. He said, if you don't believe in yourself right now, that's okay. You just got to find someone to believe enough in until you get yourself right. And that was just like super powerful. Like, and I don't know, it's not my thought of the day, but it's a thought of the day. If you can't find that motivation, or you can't believe in yourself right now, just find someone to believe in until you can believe in yourself. But don't lose that hope. I might just be in a motivational mode right now because I'm like watching this speaker and I'm writing this stuff down. But just want to share it with you guys, and Today might end up being one of these kind of days, because I say I'm here in Warsaw, but I'm basically here in Warsaw. This is just to gather myself together, spend some time with some important people, and get to see a lot of people that I haven't seen in a while, and go to places like that and familiarize myself before I have to go, you know. But it's kind of one of those things. It's not one of those times I'm just gonna be running around Warsaw doing kind of crazy stuff, you know. Have a couple meetings today, meeting with some people, some of you all actually. But other than that, it's just really it's a regather myself before I have to keep on going, you know. But yeah, if I have to add some value to today's video, it's this from the 10x Growth Time by Grant Cardone. Guys, get it, it's worth it. Yeah, okay, we'll spin to probably a couple hours from now when I'm finished leaving this pretty cool, calm place on Nowy Świat, which means New World, street here in Poland, Warsaw, Poland. Just a little thought for you guys as I'm getting here to the metro, kind of where I started the day and caught the metro in the wrong direction, but it's freezing cold, so we're gonna change. A little thought for you guys as I was just taking the metro, and maybe this doesn't help anyone, or maybe this just kind of helps that one person who needed this today. And I guess it kind of hopefully gives a little bit more value to today's vlog, but it doesn't always have to be like that. Like, whatever you're going through, I feel like, I don't know, sometimes when I'm on the metro and you just see people, and most people that I've met today, I'm meeting a lot of you guys, they just think like, oh, this is what I do, this is how it is, this is how it's always been, and that's how it always will be. And I think that if you really think that, and you really believe that, then you're gonna be right. But if you realize it doesn't always have to be like that, that you guys can shape and change, and whatever it is that you guys want to do and you dream about, you can do it. Like, it's so possible if you just chip away at it day by day on your metro ride, on your train ride, while you're having coffee, instead of maybe going out one weekend. You know, it can change your life. And I don't know, I've met with some of you guys today. I don't want to say so many, but I met a lot of people today and met up with some of you guys as well. And just the vibe that I got and just the support that I get from you really means a lot. I really appreciate it. And right now it's really cold here. Not sure what's going on, but I'm not complaining, but just saying. But yeah, gotta go meet some people. More things going on the rest of the day, but I want to say thank you guys so much for your support and everything. And as I leave the metro, I felt like this was kind of a good place to end it while I have that vibe. Hello, Chaz. People are so, oh man, I love this place. But yeah, I felt like this was the place to go on leaving the metro ride, and just was inspired to say that. But thank you guys so much again for watching. I'll speak to you guys all later. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.